Hello year 1. In today's science lesson, we are going to learn about the exploding Coke experiment. You'll need 2 bottles of Coke, a pack of Mentos, 2 balloons, 2 elastic bands to secure the balloons onto the bottles. Let's begin. Put 2 Mentos into a balloon. There's one in there now. It might take a little bit of time. Now there's 2. I just need to shake this one in. Now we have got them at the bottom. Put 4 Mentos into the other balloon. This might take you a long time. Now we have the second one in there. Now just put this one. Now just shake it in. Now it's done. Now 2 Mentos in this one and 4 in this one. Open the bottles of Coke and carefully attach each balloon around the head of the bottle. You might need adults' help. Open the bottle of Coke carefully. Attach each balloon around the head of the bottle, making sure not to drop the Mentos in. And put a rubber band around it. Now I've tied this on. Carefully lift the balloon with 2 Mentos and drop the Mentos in the Coke. Watch what happens. Watch what happens. You need to make sure that the bottle's on tightly. Hold the balloon and gently help to pull the liquid back into the bottle. What has happened to the balloon? Why do you think that has happened? Make a prediction. Will the balloon with 4 Mentos make more or less or the same amount? Make a prediction. Will the balloon with 4 Mentos make the balloon explode more or less or the same amount? No, we're not open this bottle. Attach this balloon to the Coke. Be careful not to drop the Mentos in again. Just tie the rubber band on. Watch what happens! Wow. That's gonna explode. Oh, that's gonna explode very badly. Was your prediction correct? Was your prediction? Was your prediction correct? Hope you enjoyed the science experiment today. Don't forget to post your own experiments on Padlet. Goodbye! You won!